Adam? Adam?
Wake up, Adam.
Adam, are you with us?
Where am I? Who are you? Where's my wife and son?
I've met a lot of men today who wonder the same thing.
Look, this is just a routine cross-check.
What routine cross-check? Who are you people?
You're dying, Adam.
Dying? Dying of what? Please, I just want to see my wife and son.
Your wife and son are safe for now.
We just need you to cooperate with us.
Why would I do that?
We are investigating an unusual death of a young woman who passed away 2 months ago. Not far from where you live. Suicide. Adam, tell us what you know about Gabriella.
So this is about Gabriella?
So you knew her?
Yeah.
Gabriella's mother thinks there was some kind of foul play involved. Something that pushed her to take her own life. We believe the police missed key evidence and closed the case as just suicide. So we're reopening the case.
What have I got to do with Gabriella's death? She was just a student of mine.
How was she as a student?
She was shy, sensitive. She kept to herself mostly.
Impulsive?
I wouldn't say she was impulsive.
Did you see her with anyone? A boyfriend, maybe?
No. Literature is the only thing she seems to be interested in.
What makes you say that about her?
She was just always asking questions, very inquisitive, eager to learn, you know? Signs of a good student.
Some of the students say that you were extremely close to her.
Well, we used to have discussions about literature after class sometimes, but...
Milton's Paradise Lost is what really interested her.
You are a follower of Milton yourself, aren't you? We believe you wrote a couple of books on the various interpretations of Milton's Paradise Lost.
How do you know that? I never published them.
Did you usually meet students after class?
No, not really.
How was she different then?
Oh, she cared about my work.
Did you fancy her, Adam?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean.
No, I don't. I need my lawyer right now.
You aren't getting one, Adam.
And you're not getting out of here until you cooperate with us.
This is injustice. I know my right.
Enough! Where do you think you are?
We could keep you here as long as we want, and no one would ever know. Is that what you want?
There are witnesses that saw her leaving your house on a number of occasions. Don't incriminate yourself.
Look, I can explain. She did sometimes come to my house.
And your wife doesn't have a problem with female students visiting you?
Why would she mind?
I can help you, Adam, but only if you tell the truth. This pain doesn't have to last forever.
Why are you doing this? I've told you everything.
Do you know the reason why Gabriella took her own life? There was a rather revealing picture that was leaked. Her entire class got hold of it.
They hounded and tore her apart, like a pack of wolves.
One of your books is captured in the background. So how did Gabriella have one of your unpublished books?
Unless she was in your room, in your house. You know what I think? I think you're having an affair with Gabriella.
What? How dare you accuse me of that?
Your story just doesn't add up.
You don't know anything. Look, it wasn't supposed to be this way. I love my wife. But in recent years, it seems like we've been making more scars than we have memories. We stayed together for our son, Tommy. But our loveless marriage has taken its toll on the both of us. Me and Gabriella started to see each other more. When my wife went to her mother's, she came to the house and things got intimate. But it happened just once.
Why only once?
Because she wasn't the person I thought she was. I found out she'd been sleeping around. I told her I didn't want to continue.
How did she react?
She threatened to tell my wife.
Did you know she was pregnant?
I didn't care. That baby wasn't mine. She just wanted to take advantage of me so I could look after her and look after the child. You can't hold me responsible for something that she did. I was just trying to look after my family.
So you released those intimate pictures to discredit her? Silence her for good? Do you regret what you did?
Adam. You had to do what you had to do to save your family.
You're right. I did. And I don't regret it. I told her to move on and she wouldn't. She made the decision to kill herself. It's not my fault.
I was hoping for something more redeeming. But even now, as you are dying, you are blinded by your arrogance and false sense of self-righteousness. You failed to see how you led an innocent woman to the doorsteps of death. Her only mistake was loving you. Soon, my child, painful as it may be, the truth shall set you free. You can finish here. He's all yours.
Do you believe in hell, Adam? Hell doesn't have a great fire or wailing souls. Hell is a place where all your regrets and nightmares eat you alive inside out, inch by inch. We both know the child was yours that died with Gabriella. Now you're dying too. But death is simple. Living with consequence. Now that's hell. But I'm a man of my word. You will see your family again.
Say farewell to paradise. Hail horrors. Hail infernal war.
We got him. He's back. Code 1, call for back. It's gonna be okay.
Sarah.
35662 to dispatch. We have a motor vehicle accident on the highway, mile marker 26. 3 victims,
Sarah.
1 survivor, 2 casualties. Adam Glassman, 35, survivor. Sarah Glassman, 30, deceased. Tommy Glassman, 10, deceased. Over.
Jeez.